Hi everybody, this is Wayne. I'm out here, a little garden spot. Got the sprinkler going. Now I was sent this sprinkler to check it out and tell you what I thought. And that's what we're doing here. It's a nice one. It's got a real sturdy, strong tripod on it. It's got the hose connection that comes down here. It's got a locking screw, thumb screw there that keeps the tripod where it's supposed to be. Just like any nice camera tripod, but it's all aluminum, strong, sturdy. And I've just got this thing set up. You just these things, stainless steel things right here, and that head just bounces between them, and that tells it how far back and forth to go. And we've got some strawberries and cantaloupe, and we've got some broccoli and cauliflower, tomatoes and peppers. But see, that thing's just coming down here just perfect. Getting some juice on everything. So anyway, we like, oh, got onions too. Can't really see the onions, they're pretty thin, but they're coming up. So anyway, that's my sprinkler. I'm loving it. Thanks, bye now.